Hi guys, it's Miss Christine and welcome back to another Curbside Crafts. This is the time of year where we start seeing the bugs crawling and flying around. Well, this week's theme is called Catch That Reading Bug. So I'm going to read you guys a story and then I'm going to show you the 3 crafts that are going to come home in your bag. And the story I chose is called Bugs, Bugs, Bugs by Bob Barner. Okay, so after I read that story, we're going to come back and I'm going to show you those 3 crafts. I'll see you guys soon. Bugs, Bugs, Bugs by Bob Barner. Bugs, bugs, bugs. I want to see bugs. Butterflies that flutter in the sky. Spotted ladybugs that go creeping by. Friendly daddy longlegs that never bite. Grasshoppers hop, hop, hopping out of sight. A fuzzy caterpillar with tiny feet. Bees buzzing by flowers that smell so sweet. A long line of ants that work so much. Roly-poly bugs that curl up when I touch. Bugs, bugs, bugs. I can see buggy bugs all around me. All right, guys, welcome back. Now it's craft time. So what you're going to get in your bag is you're going to get a bug mask. Mine happens to be a bumblebee. You might get a different bug. They're all different. And then you're going to get these foam pieces to decorate your face, okay? The next one is a foam butterfly, which you will get foam pieces also to decorate your butterfly. And you'll get a magnet on the back where you'll be able to stick it on your refrigerator. And the last one is a sand art butterfly. It's going to come looking like this one with yellow on it. You're going to peel off the yellow and it becomes like a sticky butterfly. You're then going to get these colored little sand packets and you're going to sprinkle them on your butterfly to make it into a colorful butterfly. I hope you guys had fun. I hope you enjoyed the story and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.